This is a bottle gourd plant. Uh, this is again a member of the gourd family. It provides big leaves. Typically, it is grown on the ground and uh, goes along the ground in big creepers. But I don't have any facility for growing in the ground. I grow in pots, grow bags, buckets, plastic buckets, and so on. So now, one way to differentiate this, of course, is from say something like the sponge gourd is the size of the leaves. If you look at leaves here, the leaves are fairly big. If you look at sponge gourd, the leaves are more numerous but they're smaller. And the sponge gourd actually can spread out much more than the bitter gourd, bottle gourd, sorry. But they're different plants, let's put it that way. So this is one of the flowers of the bottle gourd. This is of course the male flower. The female flower is the one that has a small fruit at the end with the flower. If pollinated, that flower will grow bigger and eventually become a full size fruit. And I'll show an example. I can't show you an example of the flower over here as yet. A couple of these might grow to be, one of these might grow to be a female flower. Same with say something like this. Wait, why is this not coming to focus? Wait, yeah, this one. And what happens when it gets pollinated? You get something like this. So this is from a female bottle gourd flower that has got pollinated. I did manual pollination, which means I took say a brush and got some of the pollen from a male flower and put it in the female flower. Gently brushed it in the female flower so that it doesn't break away. And with pollination you get this. Now this is just say half the size. With proper fertilization and all, a good bottle gourd plant flower fruit can grow to maybe triple the size of this. And at it's a very nutritious food. You can make a curry out of this. People make other things as well. We typically make curries out of this with spices and all. It can get very tasty. Of course you will find people who don't like it because it is too nutritious, very low calorie, healthy, but a lot of people eat it because of that, especially in the um, daytime in for lunch. Gives you a light, it does make your stomach heavy. So now of course I'm not wanting just one. When you provide the enough nutrition, when you provide good sun and you provide plenty of water, you will get many more from this one. The I have set up these steel lines on top and a bamboo structure, but this plant is not yet big enough. If I stretch it now, the creeper might break because of the strain. I have to wait for it to get bigger and then I'll untangle it, and then just like this one, stretch out some more or drop some lines from these and then let it climb onto that, or put it on a bamboo pole like this, something or the other. You have to figure out. I cannot just advocate a solution that meets all needs, depends on the particular case. Okay, this was it from this plant. If you want to support me, if you like my video, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you.